So, good morning, sir. Today, I'm gonna show you what's inside the disaster kit. So, first and most importantly, the clothes. It's good for 3 days. So, wait, please. Clothes. Clothes for my siblings. And clothes for my daddy. Clothes for myself and for my mom. And another one. And you need also warm clothes, warm towels. For example, you were disaster like a storm, you need to evacuate like that, and especially you need a warm clothes to warm your body. And it is most important also that you have a plastic cups and the spoons. You don't have to worry where did you put your food in evacuation area. So this is important also. And extra foods, you need extra foods whenever you evacuate and you are experiencing disasters for your reservation, so you don't have to starve. And this is easy open, you don't need to cook it. Easy to open, you didn't need to cook. Yeah, that's right. And water, so you don't have to start with water. Example, in the evacuation area, there's no water to give it to the evacuee. So next is medicine. So recently my brother had a maintenance to her sick. He is sick, so he need medicine. So next is, of course, Bible. When we're worried, losing our faith to God, we are so worried for our future. We need to trust Him. Trust in God. Trust Him. Next is my sunglasses. So I have a blurry eyes, and mom also, but right now he's wearing his glasses, and it's mine. This is mine. Next, most important, the face mask. So, because obviously right now we are experiencing a pandemic, so we need to socialize ourselves to other people. So even though we are in the evacuees, we need to stay safe and protect ourselves. So it's important to wear mask. So next is coil. Because if we don't sick, there have the possibility that we got dengue. So coil is important. Next is some leisure books. This is a Wattpad book. Some leisure books. When you got bored, waiting for something, you have to socialize yourself and have leisure time. So your mind become positive and think of a positive thought. Stay positive. Also next, some Rubik's Cube. To keep your mind positive also and peaceful. You need to do some puzzle games. Let's enjoy it. Next is towels. You also need this one to wipe your tears, to wipe your sweat, like that. Swipe everything that is what? So personal towels is important also. Next is warm clothes, jacket to keep your body warm. Bunny. And so next is first aid kit, alcohol, ointment, betadine to take drops, agua, and cotton. This is used more importantly when you have falls, got an accident, when you're running, you got injured, when you panic attack, that's not right to do. So do this. So next is hand sanitizer. It is more important, especially these days that we have a pandemic, coronavirus. You need to stay safe and sanitize your hands. And next one is power bank. This is used when you're out of battery to use on your cell phone. Well, the cell phone. Extra phone with long-lasting battery is important. This is a phone. When you have to call for a friend that you are fine, call for emergencies, you got stuck, example, you have things to use to get your trace and to know people that you're stuck. So cell phone is important. Power bank also. Some extra cord for a charger. Extra batteries. For your example, for your radio, flashlight. You can use it when you're in evacuation area. And some pliers and wrench. Example, you're panicking and there's a disaster. When you have to turn off the utilities, it's fast. Just you have to off your utilities. Just hold down your brakes in your house, electricity. This is the right thing in your disaster and you're in rush. Some pens and a paper. You have nothing to do, your personal stuff. Just write your feelings. That's important. That's what I'm going to do when, example, I'm worried, have anxiety. I always write my thoughts, write everything I wanted, and especially when there's an emergency, you can use this too. Oh, scissors. When you have to cut something, you're stranded, you got strangled, tongue, scissors. Duct tape. Example, when the things you use got cut, duct tape, you can use duct tape to lessen it, or at least make that problem solve. Duct tape for everyone. Extra cash. You also need your extra cash. Example, you have to buy something, you have bills to pay, evacuees, got starved, and you out of stock of food. There's no food in evacuation. It is more important that you have petty cash. You have extra cash. with you to buy something, food, what else? What do you want? And important documents. Important documents like birth certificate, passports, insurance, your passbook, your loans, anything, marriage contract, your IDs, all in all, they're important. Important documents with you, because when it gets wet and it's soaked, it is hard to get an original copy of it. Things that's have some many things to pass on, requirements to do just to get it. And a flashlight and a whistle with you. So, but if there's the time that you get stuck, so there's someone who will notice you that you're in there. You have given emergency notice that you'll get stuck. So they will notice you and rescue you. So this is most important. Mirror for yourself. Oh, mirror. Your face and something. Some personal things, and lastly, your mini rack radio. This is chargeable, and you can put battery too to hear some news, to know what's going on in the Philippines and around you. What's the matter? You can use it. Read some news, entertainment, dramas. So that's it. Thank you for watching.